You can start it all, you can have great designs, you can have great ideas, you can have all the right materials, you can have all the right equipment, but none of that does anything without the right staff. So managing staff, making sure staff's happy, making sure you have the right people in the right places to succeed is really what's going to make the business profitable and function.
Is that your 5 feet? And then let's take some measurements back.
We offer everything, right from initial design, consultation, come up with some really awesome ideas for your yard, and then right into building the job. Pools, patios, woodwork, structures, decks, putting greens, kind of you name it from there, and then right into taking care of it after, like lawn maintenance and making sure that everything's well kept and looking nice.
Oh, the company's been around for forever, it feels like. My grandfather started it in 1953, and we've taken it since then. We're coming up on our 70th year. So it started out, we've been landscaping, doing hardscaping the entire time. It's a large company. We do lots of different things, and all the way from maintenance on the commercial and residential side. And then in the winter time, we do some snow removal just to keep everybody happy and everybody paid for the winter. Staff is everything for us. So like when you get in larger, I'm not out there myself doing the work. So I have to have good staff that I can rely on. And with a company our size, staff is going to be the difference between a huge year and a small year. If you're more trained, if you're more prepared, you're more appealing to the guys out there, to the workforce. And generally, the guys out there are at other companies and around, right? We're hiring local guys to come to our company. So you need to be appealing, you need to be better than the other guy. And the more you can train them and the more you can be appealing to them, the more they're going to want to work here.
Processes are big for us. We want to keep, because we have multiple job sites happening, we want to keep our brand consistent with how we do everything. So Greenius does help with that, with keeping it consistent throughout, where we have a constant message and everybody's on the same page with how things are supposed to be done. So it definitely helps on that end. Yeah, we use Greenius, so that's actually kind of it's part of the onboarding package. So when an employee comes on, they'll get a whole package and modules assigned to them in Greenius of what they're supposed to be doing. That helps them just get a little bit familiar with what they can expect that they're going to be doing. So they're not just walking onto a job site going, oh, I didn't know you had this equipment or this or that, where Greenius will help make them aware of what they're stepping into. And then throughout, if they're moving up to, say, a new position where they're going to be using different equipment, we can then have some modules set up for that as well. And it's been good. It's been really handy. It makes everyone more aware of what they're supposed to be doing, because I find with safety, it's more or less, if they know, they'll do it. Everyone wants to be safe. Nobody wants to do something in an unsafe manner or the wrong way. So Greenius definitely helps just make everyone aware, and if they know, they'll do it. The materials, the safety stuff's always been there, but just, oh, I didn't know I needed to wear a dust mask when I was sweeping and jointing sand. Or I didn't know it was so important to have earplugs in when I was using this plate tamper. And now they know, now they're aware. It definitely helps with safety, and same with training, with procedures and things like that. I just find the staff want to know how to do it the right way and the safe way, and Greenius helps do that without us just telling them, or a boring old book or something.
To have a general knowledge of the tools and equipment you're using is a huge asset. So that's going to speed up production. So when it's time to teach somebody how to grade something or to start up a saw or anything like that, you're skipping that whole tutorial part, because Greenius has already taken that out of our hands. So now it's the actual using that tool on site that we have to still do, but generally the whole the safety precautions and all those things are already done by Greenius before we actually start that project.